In my latest video, I made this smooth text animation and received quite a few comments asking how I did it in Premiere Pro. So, here's how. To begin, let's type out any sentence using the Type tool by pressing T, and then adjust the text parameters to our liking. In my case, I'll simply change the font of the text and align it to the center. After that, I'm gonna apply a crop effect as well as a transform effect and increase the shutter angle to 360 for the motion blur. Now, we need to add a couple of position keyframes. For the first one, I'll just move the text slightly down, and then around 1 second in, I'll reset it so that it goes back to the original placement. To make the animation smoother, I'll ease the keyframes in and out, and then drag the right handle to the left and the left handle upwards to create a movement that starts quickly and then gradually slows down. I'm also gonna animate the opacity going from 0 to 100 and ease it in and out as well. This is already looking pretty good, but to make it even better, let's duplicate the layer by however many words it has, in my case 3 times, and then offset the beginning of each layer just a little bit. Now I'll select the crop effect that I added before on the first layer and crop it so that only the first word is visible. And then we need to repeat this process for the remaining text, isolating 1 word per layer. It's technically done. However, if we used the same technique to add more sentences, here's how we could connect them all together seamlessly. Firstly, let's nest the text layers together and apply another transform effect with the motion blur. And then once again ease the opacity and position keyframes, this time moving upwards from the original placement. Feel free to just copy my graph curves, as those are quite basic, or you can also check out my essential presets, as I'll include both animations in here as well. Now the final step is to align all the sentences together. I'm just gonna look for this obvious speed bump and try to match it with the beginning of the next text. After that's done, you can just copy and paste this new transform effect to the other text sequences, and we are pretty much done. A very simple, yet also very elegant looking text animation. If you found this useful, make sure to watch the next tutorial that you can see on the screen, and also don't forget to check out my Premiere Pro Essential presets in the description. Bye!